Climatic repercussions, the impact of rift formation. In one of the recently published videos on this channel, we discussed the ecological consequences of the rift gradually forming in Africa. You can click on the top right corner after this video to check it out. In this video, we'll be examining something pretty similar but definitely different: the climatic consequences. How is the rift formation going to affect the climate in these zones? Should we be preparing for something that will blow us all away, exposing us to life-threatening climatic conditions? Well, be sure you watch until the end to find out. Listen, the Rift Valley region has been home to humans for over 2 million years. But of course, this peeling apart didn't just start today. Therefore, it means humans have been at the receiving end of this region's geology for as long as they have existed there. In fact, the region's geology has significantly shaped human activities in these zones over time, with features such as the presence of valuable minerals, the presence of volcanoes, and so on. Of course, these features are both good and bad, but all of which equally have their impacts. For example, the volcanoes in this region have provided humans with a source of energy and heat. At the same time, it also puts their lives in danger. To put things into perspective, let us dive deeper into the climatic implications of the continental rifting currently happening in Africa. First, we have the temperature change. This is probably the most affected weather element associated with continental rifting. Temperature and rainfall are vulnerable and take the hit the most. This region will suffer temperature differences, with higher elevations in these areas experiencing cooler than usual temperatures, while the lower-lying rift values have warmer conditions. These temperature changes will significantly influence local climates and affect how animal and plant species are distributed. The rainfall patterns will also experience a major change. Orographic lifting of air masses over elevated areas can increase precipitation on windward sides, while leeward sides may experience rain shadows. This can result in variations in water availability and affect ecosystems and agriculture. Beyond temperature and rainfall patterns, other microclimates might also arise, particularly because of the diverse topography within this region. For example, small-scale variations in humidity and precipitation might occur, ultimately contributing to the overall climatic diversity in the rift areas. But there is also the lake effect. Generally, rift valleys often contain large lakes, and perfect examples are Lake Tanganyika, the second largest lake by volume and second deepest lake in the world, and Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa by surface area. When formed, these lakes will have moderating effects on local climates, thereby influencing humidity and temperature. And of course, the rift formation will also form various lakes around these zones, apart from leading to the creation of a new ocean. The wind patterns will change too. The plateaus and valleys in these areas will channel and redirect wind flows, thereby affecting how moisture is distributed and ultimately influencing regional climates. Because rainfall patterns will be affected, it may also lead to higher risks of flood and drought. Areas vulnerable to more rainfall are at risk of flood, while those subjected to reduced rainfall may face drought conditions. Both drought and floods can negatively impact water resources and agriculture. Farmers in these zones will suffer the most. In the end, they may need to adapt to these new climatic conditions, altering their crop choices, water management practices, and even their planting seasons. Overall, the climatic repercussions of the rift formation in Africa seem limitless. As humans, we are only left to trigger our adaptability qualities and prepare for the disruption ahead of us. Or what do you think? Do you think all these climatic repercussions are true? Or did we miss out on anything else? Don't hesitate to share them in the comment section. While at it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.